Hello students, how are you? Good morning. Welcome to English video number 1 for this week. Inside and outside cities. Today we are going to do comparing places. We will learn how to compare adjectives. New words like hotter than, colder than, nicer than, more exciting than, more scary than, more beautiful than. We are going to start with a video in which will be very much helpful in explaining the difference between adjectives and how to use them in comparative form. Let's start with this video. Comparative form. Big is an adjective. An adjective is a word to describe something, a person or a thing. So, the green car is bigger than the blue car. The blue car is big, but the green car is bigger than the blue car. So the comparative form here is bigger than. In case we have a vowel letter in the middle, we have to double the last letter before putting in an ER. Please note this rule. Short adjective big, we add another G and an ER to make the comparative form. Some adjectives are long adjectives, such as beautiful. So, when we put it in a comparative form, we add the word more instead of er. So, this woman is beautiful. This woman is more beautiful than her. So, we add more and than to the adjective to make it in the comparative form. Some adjective like heavy ends with y. The problem is y, er cannot follow a y. So, in this situation, we add I and er instead of the y. It becomes heavier than. The adjective tiring comes from tired. He is tired from pushing the stone. It's tiring. Look at what will happen to the adjective. We add more and than. So, it's more tiring than. Look at these adjectives. When we had heavy, we remove the y and put ier. But when we have tiring, we put more tiring than. Notice the difference of these adjectives. We have another type of adjectives like good, bad, far. These adjectives are changed totally. For example, if we have he is good boy or he is good. In order to compare it to someone else, John is good, but Jack is better than John. So we changed good to better. The same goes for bad. Bad changes totally to worse. So, for example, the weather here is bad, but the weather here is worse than here. So we changed the whole adjective into worse instead of putting er. Far to is changed to further. So we have London is further than Manchester. Good, better, bad, worse, far, further.
Kate's happier than Mel.
Let's go back to the Y. Can you remember what happens to the Y? Yes, it's changed to IER. So Kate is happier than Mo. Happier.
Mel's taller than Kate.
However, look at this adjective. This adjective is different. We've just put ER. It's not like happy or heavy. We just add the ER. Now let's go back to our student's book. Look at these adjectives. Do you agree with Rosa and Josh? When we compare things, we often add R or ER for words with one syllable. Nice, nicer, neither than, cold, colder, colder than. We often use more for words with two syllables or more exciting than, more beautiful than. Look at these words, hotter than. We double the T because we have vowel letter. Can you remember this rule? Colder than, nicer than, more exciting than, more fun than, more scary than, more beautiful than. Don't forget, words like adjectives like good, we cannot put er. We just change the whole word. So good changes to better. Bad changes to worse. Remember this. Let's read these sentences. The desert is hotter than the mountains. The city is more exciting than the desert. I'm better than all other birds. Please don't forget these rules. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.